Hey guys, I got this unit off of AliExpress. Let me know what you think. I love a good Mohawk unit, but if it's not in color, I just don't feel it. This one only had color in the front, so I'm kind of trying to play with the bang to get it to where it fits my face. Probably going to play with it a little more and cut a little more or tweak that side over there because that side that sits by itself, I kind of want it pushed back a little more. So let me know what y'all think. I'm going to flip it side to side. I'm going to play with this bang. I feel like this is my good side because when I flip it to the other side, I don't like it. Yeah, I need to do something with that. But let me flip it to the other side. See, I don't like it on that side at all. No, I don't like it. What do y'all think? I think I just need to trim the sides a little bit, let the bang hang out a little more, keep it on this side right here and fluff it up. And I kind of don't like all the hair to the back. I kind of like the hair when it's laying on the side of my shoulder. And I also see in the picture she has the hair on both sides of her shoulder. I like the hair on my shoulder look better, but that can be kind of aggravating to walk around with it right there. You know what I'm saying? Like you're wearing a scarf or something. But let me know what y'all think.